Hey everyone, welcome back to Fearless Growth. And today we're going to dive into a beginner-friendly workout plan that's perfect for anyone just starting their fitness journey. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a workout.
Disclaimer: always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program. This workout is designed for beginners, but it's important to listen to your body and modify exercises as needed. Stop immediately if you experience any pain or discomfort.
Exercise 1. Jumping jacks. Stand with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump up, spreading your legs and raising your arms above your head. Jump back to the starting position. Do 3 sets of 20 reps. Exercise 2. Push-ups. Start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push back up. Complete 3 sets of 10 reps. Exercise 3. Squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body as if you're sitting back into a chair, keeping your knees behind your toes. Then, return to standing. Let's do 3 sets of 15 reps. Exercise 4. Plank. Get into a forearm plank position, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position. We'll do 3 sets of 30 seconds each.
Cool down static stretches. Hamstring stretch, quadriceps stretch, shoulder stretch, triceps stretch, child's pose. Hold each stretch for 30 seconds.
Great job, everyone. Remember, consistency is key, so try to do this workout 3 to 4 times a week. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment below letting me know how you felt after the workout. Also, share this video with friends and family who might benefit from it. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more beginner-friendly workouts. Follow us on your social media handles for daily fitness tips and motivation. Stay active and stay healthy.